What do you want, Peter? You want some water? Our cat loves water running on his head. Check that out. Yep, our cat Peter likes water running on his head. Our cat loves to drink water out of the shower. I wish I could get the camera farther back, but I'm holding my cat in the shower. He's drinking water out of the shower head. Pretty weird cat, Peter. You're a pretty weird cat. Our cat likes to be brushed, or should I say swept, with a broom. Peter, you want to be swept with a broom? Yeah, Peter likes the broom. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Peter. Our cat likes to be vacuumed. Yes, I am really vacuuming our cat.